Hey there guys, welcome to Dinos Vault and welcome to another episode right here. This is really special. Now, I know it's Monday morning, a lazy Monday morning where we don't want to get back to work, but I feel I have just the right thing to set your spirits going, set your spirits soaring right above the skies into the space, because this is not an ordinary unboxing. This is the unboxing and delivery video of India's first Kawasaki Ninja H2SX SE. Now, the proud owner is Mr. Anand and his son Sid. Now, both of them were there for the delivery and the unboxing, and he's a hardcore bike enthusiast. And most of you already know that I had planned a subscribers meetup for the Ninja 300 launch event. So this was kind of a surprise that I had lined up for all you guys who landed up at the Kawasaki Hyderabad store. And what a surprise it was. I mean, these guys lost it literally. Like, who doesn't? Like, the H2SX SE looks like a freaking lion. I mean, it's so intimidating, so aggressive, looks like the king of the road. So I'll not bore you with a lot of talk. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get into the unboxing action. Initial reactions? Any reaction after?
Yeah, it's good. I think only unless until we ride it.
Okay.
See, the H2SX is only in reactions will be only when you ride.
Outright, okay.
I wanted to see how cool is the riding position. That's the most important aspect.
So this was long due. Like, you have always thought of owning a H2?
No, because I always like something new, engineering product or new bikes which are technically different.
Because of the supercharger? This is supercharged.
This is supercharged.
Many congratulations, sir.
Thank you.
First H2SX to be H2SX SE to be delivered in whole of India, and you guys are getting a glimpse of this moment. And sir is a die-hard biker. I've heard a lot about him. First time I got to meet him. He owns an Africa Twin Husqvarna. Not many in the world own a Husqvarna, so that speaks about his love for biking. And he also owns a Goldwing, and now this beauty, beastly beauty, is added to his collection. So many more smiles ahead for you, sir. Our best wishes. Ride safe and enjoy the motorcycle thoroughly.